Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you a simple ornament idea. First, I'm going to go in with cotton and I'm going to paint a little bit of like a half circle onto the lower right side of my ornament. Following that, I'll base coat my ornament in the Gulf and then use Savannah Mist for the top part of my ornament. Next, I'm going to go in with that white paint again and just give it my little snowman a second coat. I'm going in with the end of a sponge brush or end of a paintbrush now and the color cotton and adding some snowflakes. I'm going in with the color Florida Orange for his nose. And now I'm going to go in with my Sharpie marker since everything's dry. I'm going to add his eyes and his smile. And then I use the end of a paintbrush and some white paint for a little dot on his eye and finish out with my black outline at the top. And then that'll complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.